Hello. So now we're going to study EBM 002 Module 1, which is about the nature of accounting. So what is accounting? So accounting is a system. System of what? It is a system for recording, organizing, and reporting money-related information. Okay. Okay, so most of accounting can be found or seen in a business. So that's why it is also called as, they also think that accounting is the language of business. Accounting is important. Bakit kaya? Daming S. So accounting is important because it helps us or the people in business to track, check, plan, and prove. Accounting helps to track what? Track where the money comes from and where it goes. Saan siya papunta? Okay? Check if the business is earning a profit or losing money. Yung accounting, tumutulong siya na malaman kung yung business ba ay nag-earn ng money or naglo-lose ng money. Next, accounting also helps to plan. Plan what to do next. Halimbawa, mag-expand ka ba? Mag-cost cut ka ba? So, ano yung cost cutting? So, later on, ma-discuss natin siya. So, sa plan, dito ka magkakaroon ng idea to, are you going to expand the business, cut costs, or increase mo yung, kailangan mo mag-increase ng sales. Last, we have prove. So, prove is to prove to others. So, kanino? Sa investors, sa BIR, sa banks, na ang records mo are correct. Okay? So, without accounting, yung mga business is like driving at night with no headlights. Ibig sabihin, kapag wala yung accounting tapos may business ka, hindi mo nalalaman kung saan papunta at saan patungo yung trip mo na business. So, we have the different key functions in accounting. Key functions. So, sa key functions, we have four. Recording. What do we do in recording? We write down every transaction, business transaction, sales, expenses, yun siya. Next, we classify. What do we classify? Kina-classify natin or ginugroup natin yung similar transactions. Halimbawa, yung mga sales pagsasama-samahin, yung mga salary pagsasama-samahin, yung expenses, you put it all together. Hindi mo pwede ilalagay mo dito yung sales, ipa-plus mo sa salary, tapos ipa-plus mo yung expenses. Dapat nakahiwa-hiwalay sila. Okay po? Right. Next, we have summarizing. So summarizing, you're going to turn the thousands of transactions into a short report. Summarizing, ano ginagawa? Short report. Yung mga sobrang daming mga transaction, mga resibo, gagawan mo siya ng report. Okay, so tinatawag din na financial statements. And last, we have interpreting. So sa interpreting, in-explain mo yung report. Okay, explaining. Explain mo lang kung ano yung report. Are we doing well? Yung business ba ay doing well? Or yung business is in danger? So those are the key functions. Okay. So there are two terminologies na lagi natin ma-encounter sa accounting. First one is yung bookkeeping. Bookkeeping versus accounting. Yan. So ang bookkeeping, ang ginagawa nito ay mechanical work. What does it mean? Kapag mechanical work, Anong ginagawa nila? Sila yung nag-record. Ano nire-record nila yung mga resibo? Yan, nire-record nila yung mga expenses, yung mga resibo. Next, posting. Ano yung posting? Sila yung nagbibigay ng resibo, ganyan. Para dun sa mga ibang client. Okay? Or sila yung nagbabayad ng mga expenses, salary, tsaka yung mga bayad sa supplier. And totaling. Sila yung nagtototal. Checking if tama ba lahat ng mga expenses. While yung accounting naman, ito yung bigger picture. Ano ginagawa nila? Sila yung nag-analyze. Ibig sabihin, sige pa, more pa. Nag-analyze, nag-interpret, tsaka nag-help sa decision making. Kasi ganito yan. So, yung bookkeeping, yung mga ginagawa ng bookkeeping ay para sa accounting. Okay? So, lahat ng trabaho ng bookkeeping ay para sa accounting work. Pero, hindi lahat ng accounting work ay bookkeeping. Kasi nga, di ba, ano lang ba yung ginagawa ni bookkeeping? Mechanical work lang. Nagre-record, nagpo-post ng bayad, nagbabayad, tsaka nagtototal. Yun lang talaga yung ginagawa niya. Unlike si accounting, siya yung nag-analyze nung mga records or yung mga works ni bookkeeper. Siya rin nag interpret. Yun siya. Okay, kaya there's a big difference between the two. Key. So there are we have the basic accounting idea, yung tinatawag na the equation. Let's write it down. So basic accounting idea. Pwede nyo naman i-pass forward yung video. Kasi nga, binabagalan ko lang. Slow pace tayo today. The equation. So we have assets. Asset, hindi ito yung mga asset ng pulis ha. Liabilities. Humiwalay siya. Tsaka yung owner's equity. So sa asset, ito yung mga pag-aari ni business. Ano yung pag-aari niya? Cash, equipment. Okay, isipin nyo na lang coffee shop. Okay, yung mga gamit doon, lahat ng gamit doon, tables and chairs, equipment, cash, yung mga pinanunukli nila, yung mga pinambibili nila ng mga baso and mga ingredients, cash. Okay? Liabilities naman. So kung ang assets ay yung pag-aari ni business owner, liabilities naman is kung ano yung what the business owes. Ibig sabihin yung parang utang. Pero hindi naman laging utang 'yun ha. Parang kung ano yung ano mo sa ano bang term 'yun? Basta what you owe from the other. Halimbawa nito, loan. Tsaka ano pa, yung mga payable sa supplier, yung mga dapat bayaran sa supplier. Yun yung kanilang liabilities kasi parang nakaano to, naka-contract. And last, yung owner's equity. Owner's equity is the owner's claim on the business. Ano yung owner's equity? Claim. So in here, ano siya, ito yung capital, tsaka yung mga retained profits. Retained profits, ibig sabihin, yung tinubo niya na natira, niles na doon yung mga, ah, yung bayad sa salary, yung bayad sa mga suppliers, retained profits. Yes. Okay, so that's all for module 1. So before we end, let's go back into it. So again, accounting is what? It is a system. Wait lang. Okay, accounting is the system. System of what? System for recording, organizing, and reporting money-related information. Also, accounting is called the language of business because accounting happens or mostly present in businesses. Okay. So, accounting helps, ano tinutulong ang accounting to track the money, where it come from, where it goes, check if the business is earning profit or losing money, plan if the business is if the business needs to expand or needs to cut costs, something like that. And that prove that accounting helps to prove that your records are correct. Kanino mo ipoprove? Sa investor, sa BIR, sa banks. Kasi kakailanganin mo sila para sa additional na capital. Ganon. Key functions of accounting are recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting. So recording, we write down ano sinusulat natin? Yung lahat ng business transaction. Lahat ng business transaction. Classifying naman, identify mo yung mga similar expenses, which one are sales, they all go together. Tapos lahat ng salary, they all go together. Ay mga expenses, they all go together. Hindi sila pwede na sama-sama sa isang report. Okay, summarizing. So after classifying and recording, you're going to create a short report dun sa inyong mga expenses. And last one, interpreting, you're going to the status of explain the report or explain mo yung status ng report. Are we doing well? Or are we in danger? So, yung we natin is yung business. Okay po. And we also discuss the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. So, which one is the mechanical work? Bookkeeping. Which one is about analyzing, interpreting, and helps in saan ako? Helps in decision making, accounting. Okay? Sino yung nagre-record, nagpo-post, and nagto-total? Bookkeeper. Kasi I ask sino eh, di ba? Who? Bookkeeper. Okay. Are they the same, si bookkeeper tsaka si accounting? No. Kaiba sila po ng ginagawa. Pero lahat ng task ni bookkeeping is for accounting. Okay? Yan siya. And the basic accounting idea or the equation, we have the assets is equal to the liabilities plus the owner's equity, wherein the assets are the business owns, liabilities the business owes, and owner's equities is the claim of the owner to the business. So that's it all for today. Thank you and goodbye.